Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we are opening a singles swag box. Hashtag love yourself. So if you don't know what this box is, it is a lifestyle box. They send you, well, there's actually two different sizes you can get. You can get the petite like I get, or you can get the full size box. Now, in the full size box, which is $39.99 a month, you get 200 or more dollars of value and you receive 7 to 8 full size products every month. Now, if you commit to 12 months and pay up front, which is $399.99, that'll work out to be about $33.34 a month. So you'd save about $80. The petite box, which is what I get, which I'm only going to get this one until January. I think I'm going to cancel in January, make room for more boxes. This is $24.99 a month. You get four to five full-size products. It's supposed to be a value of $120 or more. Now, I do feel like they inflate their prices a little bit, especially on the jewelry. That's just my personal opinion. If you subscribe to it and commit to 12 months, you pay $269.99 up front. That would work out to be about $22.50 a month for your box, so you'd save about $30. Now, I have an affiliate link below. You can click that if you want to try this box, but I also have a referral link below, and I definitely recommend you use the referral link simply because that's going to give you $15 off. You know me, I am all for y'all saving money. So, those links are down below if you want to try this box. Now we're going to open it up and see what's in here. You can get accessories, like I said, jewelry, snacks, skincare, makeup, all kinds of different stuff. I got a book one time, a beanie hat, just you never know what you're going to get in this box. It's just a fun little happy. So that's what it looks like on the inside. Here's my card. Tells me about my information. It says I have $143 worth of products in here. Let's see. Okay, what are you? Valuta currency. Gold oil grapefruit cassis. Cuticle cream. I love cuticle creams, y'all. I use them all the time because if I do not, my cuticles are going to crack and peel and bleed. I don't know why, because I am lotion crazy, but if I miss a day of lotion and this kind of stuff, oh my goodness. So I haven't tried this brand before. I guess I could show it to you instead of waving it around like a crazy girl. This is a $24 value. This Lush Moisturizing Cuticle Cream with antibacterial and moisture retaining properties will leave your skin feeling silky and smooth and bursting with vitality. For a deep hydrating experience, massage lotion into hands and fingertips, paying close attention to the cuticle area. So normally when I put on a cuticle cream, something like that, I do at least go to here. I normally don't do my entire hands with them because, some of that stuff is expensive. But yeah, I normally do, this area the whole way around, down to there. But they're saying, that you could do, oh, it was taped. I didn't even see the tape. I just opened it right up. All right, let's see. Wow. Okay, that just went right across the room. And it landed on a box. That box is going to be antibacterial. So, it has a pleasant scent. Yeah, grapefruity, florally, kind of nice. I like it. That's so funny. Shot that stuff right across the room. Let's just do this. I like the scent. It's kind of soft. I like a soft scent. I don't like something that's just in your face all the time. So this is nice. It's really nice. I like it a lot, actually. I really like that a lot. All right, next I'm seeing a wallet. My bestie just gave me an awesome wallet, so I don't know that I need another one. But this one is cute. Sienna May, and it's got a place for your ID, a place for your cards. This would be great if you wanted something small to stick in your back pocket and you didn't want to carry your purse. This would be great for that. There's a place right here for some cash and a zippy for change. Oh, look. It's got a little wristlet and a keychain holder. So that's cute. That's cute. I like that. I don't know if I'd use it. I may put it in a giveaway or something because I don't need it right now. But I like it. It's cute. And it's got a little clip right here for that wristlet thingy hoochie bobby. Now, this is the Sienna May Blakely wallet with detachable strap. It is a $38 value. I don't know if I'd pay $38 for it. I mean, it was nice. Produced with durable, scratch-resistant vegan leather, this sleek wallet has a convenient linked-in key ring and removable wrist strap. Additional features include gold-toned exterior, hardware, back slip pocket, 2 back card slots, and an ID window. So cute. I like the color. Bella Pierre. See Bella Pierre. Cosmetics. Ultra Glow Highlighting and Bronzing Palette. You know, I love the highlight. I do like to bronze. I normally bronze year round, y'all. I just like it. Okay. Y'all, this is small, more like a eyeshadow palette than a highlight and bronze palette. Wasn't what I was expecting. Very pretty colors, though. This says the Ultimate Cheek Palette featuring 4 universal shades, 3 shimmery highlights, and 1 velvety matte contour shade. Finely milled pigments are easily blendable and can be mixed for the perfect glow day or night. It's a $25 value. I'm not going to touch it right now because I don't know what I'm going to do, if I'm going to give it away or if I'm going to try it. So I'm going to wait. Okay, oops, sorry, little candle. This is Violet Harper. This is jewelry. Oh, it says it's worth $54. This is the part that I don't always agree with how much they say it's worth. Alright, am I supposed to push? What difference does that make? Trying to figure out how to open this stuff. That didn't make no sense. Okay. So it is cute. It is dainty. This is the Morgan Gold Beaded Bracelet and Earring Set. Like I said, $54 value. This smart, sophisticated set includes gold-plated and black beads set in a dainty chain with an adjustable, easy-to-use bolo clasp. So that's one of those that's, you know, you slide to adjust it, which I do like those. You just slide it to extend it out. And these beads, they're only right there. Plus round pounded gold-plated earrings. So I don't do the studs too much. But this is a cute set. I'll probably gift it because I don't think I'd wear it. Simply because of the studs. I might wear the necklace part. But I like dangly earrings. So, next is a Kind Bar. I do like Kind Bars. I actually eat one every morning. This is not the one I normally get. This is a nut butter filled snack bar. Honey almond butter. I normally get the caramel almond. And it's larger. So this is snack bar. It's worth $2. This nut butter filled snack bar is packed with creamy real nut butter and topped with crunchy nuts and a chocolatey drizzle. Contains 100% whole grain and no artificial flavor, colors, or preservatives. Make this a delicious making this a delicious and healthy snack you can feel good about. All right, how good do you feel about it? 170 calories. No cholesterol, 4 protein, 8% saturated fat, total fat 12%, 5% sodium, total carbs 7%, 3 grams of fiber 11%, total sugar 8 grams 16%. It's got 4% calcium, 6% iron, and 4% potassium. If that's important to any of y'all. So, okay, what do we think about this one? I got the cream, I really like. I got the bar, I'll definitely eat. I got the cute wallet. I don't know if I'll keep that or not. I would use it if I didn't like carrying my purse so much, but I carry my purse everywhere. The cute little necklace set and the Bella Pierre glow, which I'm probably gonna try it. I'm probably gonna try this, I have to be honest. But, you know, what did I say? 20 something dollars, 30 something dollars. I don't even remember now. $39.99. It says it's worth $143. Do we think this is worth $39.99? I don't know. That's why one of the reasons I'm putting this one on pause. Just so you know. I want to hear y'all's opinion. What do you think about it? Have you tried any of the stuff? Did you like it? Did you not like it? All that good stuff. Comment below. While you're down there commenting, I'd love it if you'd press all those lovely YouTube buttons. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribing to my channel is free and I really appreciate it. Don't forget to share with your friends. Spread the word, y'all. Let's tell everybody about the channel. And press that little notification button so you know, that little bell down there, so you know when I'm putting out new videos. I really appreciate it. If you want to donate to your creator, which is me, there are 2 ways to do that. You can do the super thanks, which is donating or tipping through YouTube, or you can buy me a coffee. There is a link below for that. It's the same thing. It's like tipping. You get to choose the amount, or you can buy, you know, several coffees because it's $1. You know, it's $1, or, you know, several coffees, more dollars. I appreciate any of it. All the proceeds are going to go to the new studio that we still haven't started working on because we've been busy. Thank you so very much for spending part of your day with me. I hope the rest of it is wonderful. Y'all, God bless.